Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you how you can fix Spotify not downloading music. In order to download music on Spotify, make sure that you have a premium account, only then you'll be able to listen it offline or download the music. Without premium account, you'll not be able to listen offline music. If you still have premium account and you're not able to download music or listen offline, what you can do is you can watch this video till the end, as I will be showing you few of the method on how you can fix this issue. All you have to do is follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, open your Spotify application. As you open your Spotify application, on the home page in the top right corner, there's a gear icon. Tap on it. As you tap on it, next page you will be directed into settings page. So over here you'll have to scroll down, and right in between you'll find an option called download. Basically what you have to do is you'll have to turn on download using cellular. Just tap on it. In case if you're using cellular data, then that might be one of the reasons why your music is not downloading. After changing the setting as well, you're not able to download music. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After doing that as well, you're not able to download music. Then what you can do is simply go back to your home screen and then open your Play Store application. In the search box, you'll have to type in Spotify. Out here, what you have to do is you simply have to make sure whether your Spotify application is up to date or not. So instead of open, if you have update, then you simply have to tap on it, and after that you'll be able to fix your problem. Once again, if you're facing similar issue, then what you can do next is that you simply have to go back to your home screen once again, and then long press on Spotify, tap on app info, next tap on storage. And out here on the storage page, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on clear cache. So after you do that, there are slight chances that your issue might be solved. After trying all of these methods, you're still facing similar problem. What you can do is you can simply uninstall Spotify application and then once again reinstall it and then log in into your account. So after that, you'll be able to fix Spotify not downloading music issue on your device. That is how you can fix your Spotify. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.